Now, let me log into my own account. Then I need, because this account is active, it's a silver membership, then I can download anything I want here. I won't download calculator now because I don't need this calculator. You can come back here and download anything at your convenient time, in as much your license is still valid. So you can, anything you don't need, don't download it immediately. When you need it, you just log in and download it. But now what I need now is I need Agent Pro to trade. So I'm going to download it. I'll click download. And as I'm downloading it, you can see that it has responded, it's downloading. What else do I need? I'll need a preset. Because now we create a preset for people that are struggling. They don't know how to set up their robots. Now we have created a preset for them that they can pick to set up their robot. And you will see how I'm going to set it up. Then I'll come to preset. I need a preset. This preset can work for Meta 4, it can work for Meta 5, but we just label it separately. So I'll download the preset. So I'm clicking on the preset also, and it will start downloading now. All right, I think one of them has downloaded. Okay, the two of them have downloaded. Yeah. So now these are the two software we needed for now. So the next thing now is we need this software on our platform, on our VPS. So we need to migrate this software to our VPS. And how do we migrate it? I'm going to show us now how we are going to migrate it. You can't just migrate everything at once like that. So yeah, this is my preset. So now we have downloaded the two of them. What is the next thing we need to do? Now I'm going to delete all this. I don't need it anymore because I've unzipped it, okay? So now what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to migrate all this information, all these files into our VPS. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open the folder for the robot. This is the robot folder. Inside the folder, we have a manual and we have what we call README. Please, README is very important in the software. The README will tell you which one is robot, which one is indicator, where are you going to put the robot, where are you going to put the indicator. But in my own case, I just copy this price hunter indicator, and this is the robot itself. Then I pick two of them, then I come to copy. If you see another screen.
Yes, we can see, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your prompt response. Then we come to the file. Then we come to open data folder. Then inside this open data folder, we come to MQL4. If you are using MT5, you're going to open MQL5. So because MT4, MQL5, then I'll come to expert. This is expert that came with the software. I don't need any one of them. I'm going to delete them. Then I'm going to paste our own robots that we have copied. Then inside here, we don't need indicator. We just need only robot, okay? So here, now I'm going to cut out my indicator away. Then I'll come to MQL5 again, indicator folder. I open the indicator folder. Then I paste it there. Please don't paste your indicator inside a folder. If you paste your indicator inside the folder, you have done wrong installation. You can see that I just paste it on the root directory. This is it. Then I'm done with installation of the robot and the indicator. So the only thing that is left for me now is to activate them to work. So now, after doing that, I'll go back to my directory. You remember that we still need preset. I'm not going to shift the focus of anything now. I'm just going to my directory on my laptop. Then I pick what we call preset. Even the preset also have manual. Try to read it. Try to read it. Many people doesn't want to read. The secret of knowledge is hidden inside the manual. So there's a manual there, but don't let me waste our time on that because a time I've been spent a lot today. So now we now come back again to File, Open Data Folder. Then we come to MQL5. Then we saw preset. You can see this is a preset. Please, if you are the one if you are using MT5 platform doesn't have preset folder, That means you copy that preset, then you come inside, you copy the preset you downloaded from Argotech, then you come to, let me come back here, don't let me rush. You come to MQL5, but this one is MQL4. Then you just pasted the folder there, bam. But because MQL4 has a folder, so I'm going to open a preset folder, and I'm going to paste our preset inside. You see, I pasted it, but I don't want to put folder inside a folder. So this folder, I'm going to open it, and I'll copy everything that is inside it. I'll cut it, okay? Then I'll come back to the first folder, and I'll paste it there. Then this second folder now, I'm going to delete it. We don't need it. I'm going to delete it. I don't want to copy folder inside folder. Now, I've copied the, you can see MQ5 preset. If I open it now, these are our presets that we downloaded from our Argotech platform. Then we have finished everything.